notice.
Oh. Hi! It's bright as a motherfucker out here.
Look at this beautiful scenery. We're gonna try and do periodic videos.
So what did I say? I said 11. Because he was like, oh, I'll come over around 10. No, 11, because Mom likes to sleep. Oh, we found some water.
Water.
Little body of water.
A fucking truck. Piece of shit. You just ruined my video. Get out of here. Trying to film the nature and shit, and you're over here driving your big ass white box truck? This is definitely not for kids.
Do you know what Mom asked me last night? She's like, can you ever, like, just speak a sentence without having a curse word in it? And I was like, no, I fucking can't. And I was like, no, but I can. I was like, I guess I just choose not to, or it just comes out. Wawa delivers. What the fuck is a Wawa?
Wawa is actually pretty good. They got nice ass heroes.
Oh yeah? What is it? Is it like a Subway?
No, it's a gas station.
Oh.
Slash eatery pub thing, I guess you could call it. They have actually some bomb ass shakes. Like, because like I used to go there in the summertime in Florida, because like it'd be hot as balls. And like they had some dope ass like banana smoothies and like strawberry banana smoothies, and you can get like a protein shake in it, and you can get they have energy boosting shots like stuff, and they got coffee, and it's almost like a 7-Eleven, but like higher grade 7-Eleven. Like you get fresh made like food right in front of you, like at this like bar thing. So they're like, they're right behind this glass, and and like it's like almost like a Subway inside a gas station inside
of 7-Eleven.
Yeah, type of thing.
So it was like a 3-in-1.
Yeah, you can get cigarettes and all your stuff.
I got this fucking stupid broken crumb cake
from the barn.
Yeah, just hold on, show this, because like this is what I paid $2.50 for. I got it like that.
At least the bottom's not broken. It's just the top.
The crumbs are the best part.
Oh well. Cry them a river. Go ahead, do it. Look at all that nature. Right behind it is fucking buildings. You pieces of shit. Why do you need so many fucking buildings in this goddamn world? We need more trees.
We need more trees.
Look at the water tower. You can't even see the water tower. I'll zoom in to see the water tower. And you can't even see the water tower because, there's the water tower. Stupid ass phone. You get an iPhone 11 because it's better than anything else. Bullshit. How is it better than anything else? A Samsung would probably have been better. But no, we didn't get a Samsung because we have Apple Watches. But where's my fucking Apple Watch? It's not here!
Yeah, because we haven't used our Apple Watches in like 5 months.
I get it. But still, the point is, we should have just gotten a fucking Samsung.
Probably.
I think we would have been better. Oh, great. Look. Alright, video's over, guys. Boy. It's like a boy.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace.